Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, class 7th. We are starting from first chapter revision for the first assessment. In the first assessment, we read about heating and cooling. What is heating? What is heat? And what is cooling? What is temperature and what is heat? How to measure the temperature? What is the unit of temperature? What was Kelvin scale and what is Celsius scale? And how do heat work about in the moving particles, and what is that energy is called that is due to the moving in solids, liquids and gases. Kinetic energy, the process of anything to conserve. Melting, kinetic theory can help explain how substances behave. If the solid it is melt, then it would be evaporated, then the condensation, then freezing, then the mass is conserved. Here were few questions from the given reading, and that you have to give the one word answer. What is the process of conduction? Complete conduction was given over here, and given over here conduction, the movement of heat through solid such as metals is called conduction. Metals are the best conductors and poor conductors of heat are called insulators. And the particles that vibrate more quickly when heated, some of this energy is passed on to the neighboring molecules, which pass it on to the neighbors, and so on. And which materials make the best conductors of heat? They are the metals. And the next thing was the convection. What is convection? Actually convection is the process when heat is locked in an object. When the heat is locked in an object and that is not let to go out, that is the convection. What are the radiation? Radiations are the process. Radiation is a process for making heat up. There are the few methods of radiation. They are given over here. The next thing is emitters and absorbers. The things that emit light or energy, they are emitters, and the elements that absorb heat and light, they are known as absorbers. How to commit comparison of emitters, and then the comparison of absorbers, which are the good emitters and which are the good absorbers. And the other thing was the working of vacuum flask like thermos flask. The parts of vacuum flask are given over here, and how do they work and how the heat is trapped into them. How do the things change? More changing about changing states, how the states are changed from one to another. At the end of the chapter, objective is given over here, multiple choice questions, and the true false and other things. Now come for the second chapter, that is about plants and their systems. In plants there are several systems. Some parts of the plants, they are roots, stem, leaves, flowers and buds, and their working. Roots, are to absorb the minerals from the ground, from the earth. Stem provides the food to the other parts of the plant. Leaves help to make the process of photosynthesis, and flowers are used to reproduce, and the birds are where growth starts from. Birds, it starts grow from the growth. Plants, tissues and organs. As you know that many cells make a tissue, and the tissues make the organs, and here are given the xylem tissues and phloem tissues and the parts and their working completely. And then the transport in plant means how the food travel in the plants. And the next topic was the inside stem. What are the parts inside the stem? And the leaves. And inside a leaf, what are the things? What are the parts and organs inside a leaf? How the transporting of food, how the food transport from one part to the other. And then osmosis means the moving of water molecules into the plants. And then the transpiration is a process through which plants loses water from its leaves into the surrounding air. Osmosis means The plants take water from the ground to its stem and to the other parts. And transpiration, how the plants leaves extra water into the air. And the next topic is sport in plants. Which things and which parts support plants? And our next topic of the first assessment is the flowers. What are the flowers and the parts of the flowers? They are petals, stamen, sepals, the nectar, carpel, then the anther, pollen, and then the further parts of the flower, that are sigma, style, ovary and ovule, and their working. And the whole chapter is now and with the exercise, multiple choice questions, true and false statements, and fill in the blanks till page number 29.